Welcome back. I'm Mr. Rushdie. This is Mr. Vejdani. And today we're talking about streams. Taraz, can you send us over to a nice, beautiful stream? Check it out. Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Mr. Rushdie,
the nice breeze,
What,
the
man?
birds chirping. This is great.
Mr. Rushdie, this isn't what we do. We need to show them Microsoft Stream. Taras, take us to Microsoft Stream.
Oh, yeah. But wait, what's Microsoft Stream?
Microsoft Stream is a recording of any video, any meeting that you have. If your teacher records it, it all gets saved to Microsoft Stream.
That sounds rather convenient.
Yeah,
How do you find these recordings on the beautiful stream?
that's a great question, Mr. Rushdie. You can actually go to stream.microsoft.com. There, with a few clicks, make sure you log in with your student account first. With a few clicks, you can find any video that your teacher has recorded.
That sounds great.
Yeah, so it's not just there. It's also in the Teams app itself.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's in another place?
It's in 2 places.
Oh, man.
Crazy.
That's awesome.
So if you go in the Teams app,
Okay,
go to the class that you're looking for,
I'm there.
you'll find it in one of 2 ways. So you see that you're in your post tab in general when you go in.
Yep.
Right there, it will either be as one post. If your teacher has a recurring meeting, it'll be one post and you can just scroll up and see all the videos within one post.
That sounds handy.
Yeah. Or your teacher can do separate posts for different meetings. And so
Wow.
you'll just go to the day that you're looking for and your video will be right there.
That's so great because if I happen to sleep in on a day or I'm sick or my family is traveling or something's going on and I miss class, I can go back and watch the video.
Yeah, that's the whole point of it being
Or
recorded.
if I, don't understand what happened in the class that day, I can always rewatch it, right?
Yeah, they're there forever.
That is so beautiful.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
But you know what, Mr. Rushdie?
What?
I think we should go back to the other stream.
I like the way you're thinking.
I'm with you.
Taraz, send us back to the beautiful stream. Wow.
So nice.
That's
So
what I
nice,
like.
dude. Relaxing.
All we need now is some spiritual music. Get the vibes.